Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix mobile data not working on your Honor Magic V6. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and toggle mobile data off and on in the settings. So you can do that in the settings, or you can do that in the control center. So there are two ways, as you guys can see here. With mobile data, we're gonna turn it off and turn it on. That was a quick restart, of course, and do not remind again, and yes. Now what are we gonna do is we're gonna check the APN settings. So here we have the APN in the mobile data. Now we have the internet, and we can click on delete APN. As you guys can see, whenever we click on delete APN, it should be gone. And now we're going to click on three dots, we're going to click reset default, and now our internet will come back. We want to make sure that the card is properly inserted. So if you do not see anything here, if you do not see your provider, if you do not see the signal and 5G for example, or 5G plus depending on a region where you are, what you guys want to do is go over, and if you have a case, then remove it. And as you guys can see, this case is a bit tricky because we have to just get it out like this. Okay, so now what are we gonna do is I'm gonna lock the phone for some time. Here we have the SIM tray opener. Now this is our SIM tray where we have our SIM card, and we can easily just push it in. As you guys can see, it should just come off like this. And now I'll show you how to enter the SIM card. So let me put the phone out of the way. Now to put the SIM card in, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over, and here we have the tray. Now there's a small SIM card right here close to my finger, and it will teach us how to put the card. So as you guys can see, it's telling me to go like this, and it is not working properly. This is number 2. Now this is the number that I entered before, and this is the SIM 2. Now we've entered it successfully. We're gonna grab our phone, and as you guys can see, here we have the dot on the left side, so we want to match it with this side right here. We want to enter it back, make sure that it's flat. We can easily put our case back on, and once we put the case back on, we should see that we have the Virgin Mobile. So for me, it all works just fine. We got it. And what are we gonna do next is we're gonna restart the phone to refresh the system. So we're gonna press the power button, volume up button, and now we're gonna tap twice on restart. So once and twice. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what are we gonna do as a last resort is go over and reset the network settings. So we're gonna go over into settings, we're gonna swipe down to system and updates, and here we're gonna go to reset network settings, and we're gonna tap on the button at the bottom to confirm it. We're gonna enter our PIN code, click it again, and now we have the confirmation on our screen. So that's how you guys can fix your mobile data not working. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.